How did you hear first about Dr. Rami and the clinic?
I heard about Dr. Rami from some recommendations, and actually by seeing the results of his work, comments from his patient, I felt very confident in making the first step, book my appointment, and that was really the right decision I had made.
What was your first reaction when you saw your new smile?
Actually, I felt overwhelmed. Honestly, I was like having kind of image in my mind about how I will look like, but the results were like more way better than that I imagined, and this was very overwhelming. And really, I'm very grateful.
What reaction did you receive from your family, friends, or co-workers after the treatment?
Actually, everyone noticed very immediately about the results, and they were just pointing about how beautiful it is, my smile now, and how natural. And really, some of the people, they were saying like, I felt more confident in speaking in my meetings, and I'm more smiling now than before.
Looking back, how do you feel about your decision to get veneers and transform your smile?
I feel I done the right decision. I was actually consulting a few clinics before, and I wasn't really confident about the solution they gave me. But when I met with Dr. Rami and he explained to me, and he had a very thorough review of my conditions, and he even showed me what are the sketches of how the smile will look like, and he have been taking all into consideration all the notes that I gave him about what are the things that I would like to tackle in this transformation, and I can feel like everything was coming out very nice and much better than what I imagined.
Would you recommend Dr. Rami to others, and why?
Yeah, for sure. Dr. Rami is a high professional doctor, and you will trust the process, the clinic, the team that are working together with him. So I highly recommend his clinic.
What would you say to someone who is thinking about getting veneers but still feel unsure?
I will just say trust the process and choose the right doctor. And with Dr. Rami, I'm sure like you will be in very safe hands. So good luck, and thank you.